So just checking in now for day 11 of the challenge, and just in the hotel room here, finishing day or the second day of the Warrior Forum conference, and it was a really good day. Lots of good speakers, same as last day. The first day where I think there was actually more content yesterday, but today was kind of cool, but in the sense that a few of the speakers really gave me some tangible ideas that I'm starting to put into play right now. So my first action item of the day, quote unquote, is just attending the event. I've got a lot of solid ideas that I'm going to be putting into play this week. So that's number one. And just to kind of summarize the key things that I learned today, they kind of lead into action item number two. The first big one was to have a little bit more of a structure in the way that we sell our membership site. So we were doing a little bit too straightforward in the sense that we have an offer. We say here's a whole bunch of products that you can obtain when you become a member, and you go ahead and buy, and that would be the end of the process. And one thing I learned is that once you have an interested prospect who's looking at your content, you should also include some kind of additional offer once that sale is made, an upsell, a downsell, or some kind of one-time special offer to move them further down into your sales funnel. And so I have a lot of products out there that are just sort of one-offs or single PLR products that can promote our membership site. So we have all these things that are already out there in sales letters. So my one job is to just now go back to all these single products and add one-time offers to join the membership site. It's a very logical next step. I'm not sure why I didn't have it in place already. In fact, when I was watching the speaker talk about it, I was sort of getting pissed off with myself that I hadn't done it yet. So I'm going to go fix that. That's a major action item. I heard a speaker, Jason Fladlin, talk about doing web classes, and that's really huge. You can run webinars and literally teach topics, in a 3-week, 4-week, 6-week format, and I can easily apply that to sell this membership in a few different ways. So I'm going to kind of draft out ideas and start working on a web class to promote the membership. So that's pretty cool. And as well as webinars, another speaker, Brian Rose, just talked about some of the finer details of doing webinars. So all these things are really cool because I can apply them, like I intend on applying most of them this week, like right away. So that's really big. So action item one was sort of attending the day. Action item two is to do those one-time offers and the upsells in our flow. And then action item number three is I actually I started the joint venture process with another marketer named James Foster. And we're going to put together a little bit of a unique product where we're going to talk to marketers like my friend Brad Goss, who are really good at kind of just not caring what other people think about them, and they run their business from as totally 100% authentic, unique, genuine people. And if you don't like that, that's okay, because he's not trying to sell to you anyways. He only wants to sell to people that get him and get his style, because he knows he's going to be able to connect with you and sell. So we're going to go and interview guys like Brad and another guy, Tim Castleman. There's a number of others as well. And how that helps me with sell this membership is that it's helping me develop relationships with lots of cool people. And if we put out a product and help give them a little bit of a profile, then I can go back maybe a little bit down the road and say, hey, maybe we could work something out. You could help me promote my membership. And even if they don't, it's still really good to just build that network. So in one way or another, this will help me towards my goal. And so I consider that my third major action of the day. And I thank you for checking in and holding me accountable. I'm going to have a beer and go watch the basketball game and then call it a night, because we have a 16-hour drive ahead of us tomorrow. So take care.